Is your audio actually ruining your videos? Most creators spend thousands of dollars on the latest 4K cameras and expensive lenses. But they forget the most important rule of the internet. People will watch a blurry video with great sound, but they will click away from a beautiful video with terrible audio in seconds. Today, we are breaking down a device that is officially changing the game for every vlogger, beginner, and professional content creator out there. It is the DJI Mic Mini 2. At just $100, this tiny powerhouse promises to give you professional, studio-quality sound without the bulky gear or the massive price tag. Let's talk about the design first, because DJI has done something here that no one else is doing. The Mic Mini 2 transmitter is mind-blowingly small. It weighs only 11 grams. To put that in perspective, that is about the weight of 2 sheets of paper. You can clip it to a thin t-shirt, and it won't sag or pull the fabric down. But the real cool factor is the magnetic front cover. DJI knows that we want our gear to look good on camera. The box comes with classic white and black covers, but you also get a vibrant purple one to add some personality to your setup. If you want to go even further, DJI collaborated with artist Victor Nagai for special covers called Dawn, Surge, Blaze, and Glimmer. It's the first microphone that actually feels like a fashion accessory. One of the biggest headaches with clip-on mics is the positioning. Usually, you are stuck with however the clip sits on your clothes. DJI solved this with a genius rotating clip. You can slide the clip off and rotate it 90 degrees. This is a total lifesaver if you are clipping the mic to a seatbelt, a backpack strap, or a vertical pocket. It ensures the microphone hole is always pointing directly at your mouth, which is the secret to getting that crisp, clear vocal sound. And if you hate the look of clips entirely, you don't even have to use them. The kit includes powerful little magnets. You just put the magnet inside your shirt and the mic on the outside. It stays perfectly in place and looks incredibly clean on camera. DJI is offering specific kits to fit your workflow. First, there is the mobile kit. This is built for the creator who travels light and uses their phone for everything. It features a tiny receiver that plugs directly into the bottom of your smartphone via USB-C. No cables, no mess. The entire kit, including the windsock and magnets, fits into a carrying case that is smaller than a pack of gum. Then, there is the full camera kit. This is for the serious shooters. It comes with a 3.5mm receiver for your mirrorless camera to transmitters so you can interview someone else, and a rugged charging case. When you open that case, it instantly shows you the battery levels for everything inside. You will never arrive at a shoot again, only to find out your gear is dead. Now, let's get into the pro features that make this worth every penny. On the camera receiver, there is a physical gain knob. It has a very tactile, satisfying click, allowing you to adjust your volume levels on the fly without digging through digital menus. But the real magic happens when you connect it to the DJI Mimo app. This opens up a world of customization. You can choose between mono or stereo recording. My favorite feature, the safety track. If you enable this, the mic records a second version of your audio at a much lower volume. If you suddenly laugh loudly or a car honks nearby and peaks your main audio, you can simply swap to the safety track in editing. It's like having a backup singer who never misses a note. If you've ever forgotten to turn your mic on and lost a whole day of filming, you are going to love the auto on-off feature. Once you plug the 3.5mm cable into your camera, the receiver actually senses when the camera turns on and powers itself up instantly. It turns off when the camera does, saving your battery for when you actually need it. And let's talk about noise. Whether it's a loud air conditioner, a buzzing fridge, or wind at the beach, noise ruins videos. The Mic Mini 2 has 2 levels of AI noise cancellation, basic and strong. In testing, the strong setting can take a loud, industrial 3D printer or a window AC unit and make it practically disappear, leaving your voice sounding clear and isolated. The sound signature is also fully customizable. Inside the settings, you can choose from 3 different voice tones. Regular is your standard, balanced sound. Rich is perfect for podcasters or people with deeper voices, as it boosts the low-end frequencies for that radio host vibe. Bright is amazing if you want your voice to sound more transparent and clear without being harsh. You can even toggle a low-cut filter to remove that annoying low-frequency rumble you hear in city environments. Connectivity is where DJI usually wins, and the Mic Mini 2 is no exception. It delivers 48 kHz 24-bit audio, which is the industry standard for high-quality production. The range is staggering. If you are using the camera receiver, you can walk up to 400 meters away from the camera and still get a signal. For the mobile version, you get about 300 meters. Most creators will never be that far away, but that extra power means you won't get signal drops even if there are walls or people between you and the camera. It's also compatible with the entire DJI family. It supports mixed connections, so you can pair an older mic one with this new mic to seamlessly. Plus, it connects directly via Bluetooth to the Osmo Action 6, the Pocket 4, and the Pocket 3 without any receiver needed at all. In my honest opinion, the DJI Mic Mini 2 is the most important tool a beginner creator can buy this year. It removes all the technical barriers. You don't need to be an audio engineer to sound like one. It's light, it's stylish, and it works every single time you plug it in. For $100, you are getting the same technology that top-tier YouTubers use, but in a package that fits in your pocket. If you want your videos to stand out and finally go viral, stop worrying about your pixels and start worrying about your bits. This mic is the answer. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.